guys, Norm here and welcome to another Minecraft adventure. Today, we're going to be playing with Dr. Trails again. There he is. And so far we've been overrun by little baby villagers. God, there's such a little army over here. Ah, stupid skeleton. Right, let's go and get a zombie. We'll go kill those villagers together. Go on, I'm going to watch you, zombie. How about I just open the door for you? Ha! I'm so evil! Eyeballs, 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 eyeballs. No, you stay away from me. Stay away from me. Wait, come on, zombie. You know I'm right here. Come and get some flesh. Come and get some little baby villager flesh. Are you serious? The zombie legs are stuck in the door. There he is. God, now eat those little baby villagers. Eyeballs, eyeballs, eyeballs. It looks like we're stuck here, Trey. Let me just push you into this door. Your little safe house. Hey Bo, hey Bo. Oh, all the little baby villagers are almost dead. Goodbye. Oh, what else? Stuck it. What the hell is that? Yeah. I have to see this chase. I will have to see this chase. Zombies who are not attacking me. Kill that little villager. Kill him. Go on, kill those villagers. You know you want to. How is this zombie not dying? you out of your misery. Yeah. Nice, time to kill you. Trails, I killed them all for you. It's all safe now, okay? Yes? Yes? Just look at those eyes of his. Those evil green eyes of his. His eyes. They're so evil. And he's following my head, look. Yeah. Yeah? I'm sorry, Trails, it had to come to this. I'm sorry. I'm so evil. Especially when I'm about to kill you!